Hey family, it's Kat Melendez and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you my refrigerator organization. I'm actually tackling a few projects around my home, and so it's all about the organization rolling into these summer months. I just wanted to purge and I wanted to get everything set up, and I wanted to start off with my refrigerator in my kitchen area. So today I'm going to be showing you the befores and afters. As you can see, it was a mess. Everything was just totally out of place and just thrown in there, and it was time for me to get down to business and reorganize this refrigerator. So I hope you enjoy it. If you are looking forward to watching videos on organization, I'm actually recording a few at this time. I'm going to be stepping into my pantry next. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on that notification button so that you don't miss anything that I am posting. I'm starting off by just going ahead and taking everything out of the refrigerator. From the bins to the shelves, I'm taking everything out and I'm going to give it a real nice clean. Now, just don't get intimidated, ladies, when you take all of your stuff out of your refrigerator. Do not get intimidated. Trust me, it gets ugly, but it has to get ugly before it gets pretty. So just take it on out. Don't be afraid. Let's get this started. So now I'm just rinsing all of my bins, all of my acrylic bins. I bought these from Amazon, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean everything that I bought. Now I'm just wiping the refrigerator clean. I use the Dawn Power Spray. That stuff is really good. It's really powerful. I highly recommend it. And so getting everything nice and clean and getting a clean slate, a blank canvas for my refrigerator. And I'm adding these bins here that I am going to be using for my freezer section. So I just basically just use what I had, guys. So now is the juicy part. I am adding my cans of sodas in there, and I'm playing around with a few different ways to place these bins here. These can holders, I bought them from Target, and so I'm going ahead and I'm checking out the look, seeing if I like it. Play around with it, guys. There's no perfect way to do this. It's just what works for your family and what's going to create the most space for your family to be functional. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start cleaning all of our fruits and veggies. We're getting to the good stuff. I noticed that my family will literally waste fruit because it's either in the two drawers, the vegetable drawer or the fruit drawer, and they forget that we have it, and then it goes bad. Or I just noticed that I waste a lot of food. So I'm hoping that this way that I'm doing this will really, open up their ideas and show them what we have, so that more food will be eaten and less food will be wasted. going to go ahead and clean all of my cucumbers. My family loves cucumber salads, all things cucumbers. So I'm going to make 3 different cucumber salads. I made one that is an Asian inspired cucumber salad. I made one that is just a regular vinegar and cucumbers. And then I made one with the cucumbers and the red onion, and they are so good. And let me tell you, I recorded this video like a week ago, and I put these salads inside of my refrigerator, and guess what? My family ate all 3. So this is exciting because now again I'm getting some healthy options to my family, and at the same time food is not going to waste. Now I am getting down to the finish line. I'm taking all of this stuff out of my freezer, this old food, things that have been freezer burned, and I'm just going to go ahead and throw it away. And I'm just going to do a quick organization down here. I don't really have a whole lot in my refrigerator right now. I'm sorry, in my freezer. So I'm going to just go ahead and just work with what I have and make sure that my family can see what we have available, and I can see what I have available to cook for the week. so there you have it. I am organized, and I'm so excited about that because now I am able to see everything that I have in my refrigerator. I'm able to grab things, and my kids were able to, do what they needed to do, and they were very excited about eating more fruits, eating more vegetables, and having these things readily available to them. And so it really did help me a lot, like with my stress levels, because being a mom, an entrepreneur, I own a real estate investment company along with my husband. And so I'm very busy a lot of the time. So having this organized refrigerator really did help me out, guys. So I hope it will help to ease your stress and motivate you to get organized and do whatever you can to get on the organization train. And so I have some more videos coming. If you like this video, please remember to leave me a comment. It always encourages me and motivates me to keep it coming. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye for now.